failed to execute because you could have a daily that looks, as you said, actually, it's very interesting you said that. The daily and the 5 look similar. I can very easily, even though that's the case, see how the 1 hour or 4 hour could look different.
Yeah, because that's the thing. I think being that far apart in the time frames, it helps you because remember I was saying the daily auction for me, if when a price opens and closes on a day, I'll know when people are going to sleep how they feel about that market.
Yeah.
When they wake up in the morning, what they're going to do with that market. That's key because on a week, for example, at the moment, it's also key because nobody wants to hold risk into the weekend with Trump around.
Of course, yes.
So if you're trading a swing trading time frame, and I would do weekly 4 hours because the weekly is enough information to know how people feel for that week. Then going up to even like pension funds and investment funds going even higher, I would go quarterly because if they're high dividend yielding stocks, like how crap is the stock market at the moment, right? Look at this stock, Altria. It's a high dividend yielding stock.
Yeah.
So a lot of pension funds and stuff are going to want to hold this and, not being, too silly about it. Why did that hold? It seems so obvious when right?
Yeah.
But this is where we're trading this. We're trading in Altria, and there's also another one. I think it's Johnson and Johnson. Look, they're defensive stocks. They're high yielding. Pension funds are looking for somewhere to place their money.